So, on Friday, today, on my way home from work, my car decided to lose its clutch pedal. Let me show you guys. Look at here. It's totally just dropped. And now I'm stuck in the middle of the freeway waiting for a tow truck to get here. Thanks, Sassy. Alright, let's go see what's up with the B8 S4 with that no clutch pedal issue. Gonna move the CC first and then prep the S4. Looks like it's leading to the slave cylinder, so I'm gonna lift up the car and then check the slave cylinder. Alright, she's ready to get worked on. So first, let's remove these underbody panels. Got one here and one there. So it looks like it's just a couple of different styles of screws. We have this kind here, some star bits here, and I also see some Allen wrench size over there too. I'm gonna get those removed. Okay, so underbody plastics are off. Let me show you where the slave cylinder is. Okay, so now once it's off, you can see it's just right there. So all it consists of is this 10mm, or I'm not sure what size it is, but this triple square bolt right here, and then there's a little clip that holds this line to the slave cylinder. So let me get that removed and remove this old slave cylinder. So here's the new one that I got. Actually came with the car when I bought the car. Previous owner had a spare and that he kept. So this is the bleeder valve where the hose goes into, and then where the slave bolt onto the transmission. So the older one is out, just got the new one in, but I'm gonna try and bleed it first before I fully install it. Alright guys, so after installing the new one, I noticed that I was leaking some fluid out of the this clip area right here. So I took it back off, and I noticed that the O-ring on the stainless steel clutch line was actually breaking apart. You can see it here. So I inspected the old slave cylinder further and noticed that nothing was really wrong with it. And I think that the problem with me having no clutch pedal was due to this O-ring. So I'm going to show you what or where the this O-ring is at on the clutch line, and then replace the O-ring and then throw back the old slave cylinder and see if that fixes the issue. Alright, so here's the clutch line. Let me pop this off really quick. Oops. And then the O-ring actually goes around this end little groove right here. It's just one O-ring here, so that O-ring was basically gone, or basically got old. So look back on the maintenance history on this and the install on this. Looks like the previous owner installed this line like 5 years ago. So yeah, let me put a new O-ring on there and install the old slave cylinder and then see what happens. Alright guys, so it is in fact the slave cylinder that is messed up. So what I did was put the new O-ring in there, put the old slave cylinder in there, and started pumping, and still had no clutch pedal. So I put in the new slave cylinder, and now I have clutch pedal pressure. Bled the system, and I think it is good to go. So I'm gonna get the car ready and take it for a drive. Alright, let's check the clutch pedal now. Okay, it's good to go, and take it for a test drive. Alright, the S4 is good to go. It's only been a week, but I missed driving it. Anyways, thanks for watching this video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you guys in the next video.